Hi all, today I am going to discuss one important interview question that how to run JavaScript code into Selenium WebDriver uh, uh, with Java environment. So today's agenda is how to enter value into text field, how to how to enter, how to click search button and how to scroll page. So for today's question, I'm going to use this URL. So let me open that. It is already open here. So I'm going to use this URL, this Google page. So what we will do, we will be using JavaScript to enter value into this text field, and we will click on this Google search button. Let's see if suppose I am giving laptop. Okay, and I'm clicking on Google search button. So here we will verify the title of this page, uh, and we will scroll this page as well. So let's switch to our IDE. So I'm creating one class here. So let's take it, let's name it as JavaScript demo. So here I am not selecting public static void main because I am going to use test-ng for this question. So here uh, public void JavaScript executor demo, and we can mark it as test. Okay, can over it, and we can import test from test-ng. Now, first of all, we need to launch the browser and open the URL. So for that, driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, let's create a reference variable here globally. Then import WebDriver from Selenium and Chrome driver from Selenium. Now we will maximize it. Manage dot window dot maximize, and we will use get, so we can copy from here. Okay, so it will launch the browser and will open the Google application into the browser. Now we need to enter the value into this. this search box. Okay. So let's inspect this element. So we can see here we have ID for this. Okay. So we can find this element driver dot find element by dot ID. So we can pass this ID. Okay. So it will return web element search box. Okay. And we can import web element from Selenium. So here what we are going to do, entering value into search box. So how we can use, so here we are here we are going to use Java script code. So for that we will be using JavaScript executor interface. So how we can use it, let's see. So JavaScript executor is the reference, and we need to type. First of all, we can download it. We can import JavaScript executor from Selenium. So we are typecasting it. So now we can use this execute script. So here we can pass multiple arguments, and in our case we need to enter value into the text box. So how we can enter here value into text box? So arguments 0, and we can pass this here, and dot value is equal to, suppose I am entering laptop here and saving it. Okay. Now, so we have written code to enter value into this search box. Now, what next we need to do? We need to click on Google search button. So let's inspect this. So here we have div, then this class. So let's write star at the rate class. So we have reached here. Okay. Then what next? center, center is there. Okay. So through this we are getting two input. Okay. So we need to type input and index 1. So in this way we can get the text path of Google search button. Okay. So I'm copying it. I'm copying it, and let's go to IDE. Now what we are going to do? Clicking on Google search button. Okay. So driver dot find element by dot x path, and we can pass this x path here. Okay, and this is the this will return the web element. So web element search button. Okay. This is the web element. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to click on this search button. So how we can do that? Again, we will use reference variable of JavaScript executor interface and execute script. So here arguments 0 dot click, and here we can pass the object of search button. So what we have done, we have entered the value into text box, and then we can click on Google search button. So what value we have entered? Laptop. Okay. So and we have click on it. So what next? After that, scroll page vertically. Scroll page vertically down. Okay. So how we can do that? Okay, so again we will using reference variable of JavaScript, uh, Java script executor interface. So execute script, and here we can use single argument, we can use multiple arguments. So here I am going to use single argument. Window dot scroll by. So let's suppose we are not scrolling the page horizontally, we are scrolling the page vertically. So by access, I am giving 600. Okay. And one more thing, let's go to the page. So suppose we have entered laptop, okay, then we have click on Google search. So here, what what we have in our agenda. So we need, yes, we scroll the button, and how we have written code for scrolling page as well. Okay. Now one more thing we can do. We can verify the title of this page. So how we can get the title of the web page? Just inspect it and go to the head, and inside head, yes, this is the title. Okay. Just copy it and go to our IDE. So verify the title of page. Okay. So how we can verify? So how we can get actual title? Driver dot get title. So this will return the string. So we can save it into actual title. Okay. And string expected expected title. So what is the expected title? So this is the expected title. So we are using assert equals. So first we'll give actual, then expected. So actual is this. We can pass here, and expected is this. We can pass here. That's it. And we can apply driver dot quit here. But before quitting, I would like to see that the page is scrolled down or not. For that purpose, I am just using thread.sleep. Here I am passing 2000 millisecond, and it is asking to surround with try catch blocks. So I think our coding is done. Control Shift and F and Control S. Okay, so let's run this and see it's working properly or not, it is working as expected or not. So what our code will do? So our code uh, will enter value into the text field. Then we'll click on search button. Then scroll down page. Then one more point I can add verify the title of the web page. Okay. So these are the 4 points. For these 4 points, we have completed our coding. So let's run it. Right click, run as test ng, test. Okay. So it is searching, okay. So let me use one implicit wait here. Okay. Driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicit wait. I'm just giving 10. Not like this. Duration dot of seconds. We can give 10 seconds. Okay. Let's rerun it. Okay. And one more thing is 0. This was also one mistake. Okay. So we can rerun it and we can see it is running properly or not. It's entered laptop and it's scroll down vertically. That's it. So our code ran correctly and it also verified actual title and expected title. And we can also pass here one message. Verify title of the web page. So if suppose this title is not matching with expected title, so it will throw a message on the console. So let me change it some like this expected this, and I'm saving it. I'm rerunning it. Let's see what happens. we can observe here laptop and this. Yeah. So our test case is failed. Why it is failed? We can see expected title is this, but found title is this. Okay. So our code is working correctly. So again, we can again change it, save it, and run it. It should run properly. It should pass now. Last time we forcefully failed our test case. Yes, scroll down and quit. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video.